and welcome to Coffee with My Sunshine. Today I am joining in on a collab called Santa's Travel Around the World. I am joining a huge group of awesome YouTube creators. I'll tell you more about that in a second. So if you'd like to join me, let's get started on project number 1. This one you're going to need a couple pieces of scrap wood. My husband's helping me on this one, and he is just cutting the bottom of the pieces straight so that our project stands up straight. First, you're going to mark the center of your board. Then you're going to draw from that point to the bottom corners. We're going to be making some more trees. If you want to see some more of those, I will link them above. You'll want to check them out after you go through the playlist. But then after you draw your triangle, you're going to want to cut it out. Then you're going to use your second board, find the center of that. You're going to make this one just a bit bigger than the first one. And then you're going to do the same thing and draw from the center point out to the bottom corners to make just a little bit taller triangle. And then here my husband is finding the center of that smaller triangle, and then he's going to cut it in half. Then after that, you're going to take some wood glue and take your 2 half pieces. Here's one of them. And you want to glue the straight side. So you want it to kind of slant out from the bigger tree. If you're looking for more wood projects, I will link this one above as well. So you want to glue the first side to the bigger triangle, and then the second half piece, you're going to do the same thing. And then I didn't show it, but I ended up clamping it as well as I could because it is slanted, so it's hard for the clamps to hang on. But you want it somehow clamped or secured, maybe with rubber bands, to hold it together while it dries. And this is what it looks like so far. It's going to be off and kind of wonky on the edges on the smaller piece that we cut. You're just going to sand that after it's dry. I could have used my hand sander, but we had family over at this point, so I was trying to quickly get it done and not make a lot of noise. And I originally thought I wanted to paint it white, but then I wasn't liking it. It didn't have enough, I don't know if character was the right word. So the next day I ended up just taking some brown paint. It's actually that antique, I think it's a wax, and just dabbed it on. And then here it is all finished. I'm super happy with how it turned out. Let me know what you guys think. It's really plain, but it's really pretty, I think. So on to project number 2, but first let's talk about our collab. And this collab was created and hosted by the awesome channel Deco Easy. So be sure to check out their channel. I will have it listed in the description box, as well as the entire playlist, so that you can just click play and go from one video to another. And don't forget to tell them I sent you. So on to project number 2, you're going to need one of these little house frames from Dollar Tree, and I think I've seen them at Michael's too. And then a piece of scrap wood. And I thought it would be cute to create a little shelf. You could put it on the inside like I'm doing here, or you can attach it on the outside and maybe do another piece underneath so it just stands freely. However you want to do it, but I'm going to end up hanging mine. And I'm just using my little hand saw here. You can use whatever kind of tools you have. And I'm leaving mine kind of rustic, just sand down the edges a little bit. You're going to want to take some wood glue at first, and then add a little bit of hot glue. That's what I did, just to hold it in place while the wood glue is drying. You can also use clamps and skip the hot glue if you want. And this shelf obviously isn't going to hold anything crazy heavy, but I think it's super cute. And you can go ahead and keep it like this and add a cute little maybe like a family Christmas picture, or some sort of Christmas picture, or like I'm going to do, I'm using this scrapbook paper that I got from, I think it was Hobby Lobby, and I'm just going to cut it out to match the inside of the little frame. And I'm using my favorite snowman scrapbook paper. I love snowmen. I don't know why, I just think they're adorable. And then I just popped that back into the frame. And then as long as you keep the same backer that it came with, you can go ahead and hang it up. And this is what it looks like all finished. I know this one was super simple, but I think it's adorable. Let me know what you guys think. And on to project number 3. This one, you're going to need some sort of tags. You can make your own. I got these from, gosh, I got them last year. So it was from one of the craft stores. You're also going to need some ribbon or twine and some sort of little embellishment. And also you will need a glue stick, a marker, and scissors, and your favorite scrapbook paper. I'm starting with this one, and you're going to just need to use the bigger of the tags. This is going to kind of be the backdrop for the name tag. So let me know what you guys want to see going forward. I'm going to pretty much wrap up the Christmas DIYs, so I didn't know if you guys wanted to see more winter decor or just like regular home decor without any kind of theme or holiday or season involved. Just let me know. And also, what is your favorite decor style? I don't really know what's trending right now, so I would just love to hear what you guys like. So after you get the scrapbook paper cut out, just take your glue stick and rub it onto the tag or the paper, either way. And then if you have a hole punch, go ahead and use that. I couldn't find mine, and like I said, I had family over, so I didn't want to go digging around and making a big mess. So I just used my scissors and poked a hole. Then take your sandpaper and smooth out the edges. Sorry if this seems to be going slower than normal, but I had my daughter in the room with me and we were just chatting. I don't get to see her very much because she got her own place back in August and she was spending the night, so I was really happy to be spending some time with her. So then here is where you want to put your person's name. So then this one, I thought it would be cool to add a little bell. You could add like spirally ribbon. I think that would be really pretty. I just like adding little special touches to presents sometime, whether it's like ornaments or little tags. My mom does that all the time, and I think it's so cute, and it just feels extra special. And then this present is one that it was a DIY that I did last year. I can link that video in my description box if you're interested in seeing that too. I had just used some like Dollar Tree ornaments and painted them. And for this one, I just took some of the glue stick and attached it right to the package. Or you can use it for stockings. I love gifts. If you don't have like a big gift that you're giving, and you have a bunch of little ones, you can get a stocking from the Dollar Tree or Walmart and add a cute little name tag to it, and I think that would be adorable. So let me know what you guys think of all these DIYs. Don't forget to head on over to the channel Deco Easy. That is listed in my description box, as well as the giant playlist so that you can get tons and tons of Christmas inspiration. Don't forget, if you like this video, to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already a part of our YouTube family, and I hope you guys are having a nice, relaxing, and wonderful day. I'll see you next time. Bye!